Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to Daily Options Trade. Today, we're looking at Ruth Chris Steakhouse. Now, indicators are it's going to be moving higher, potentially. Alright, you can see the stochastic indicator I have at the bottom is bouncing above the 20% indicator. And the stability in this stock has been pretty good over the last week or so. It has moved down from off of its highs, and it's in a support range. So not much going on. And I think this is probably a good time to make an options play. Okay, so you know I have some of this in one of my accounts here. So I'm going to do a spread. Alright. So it looks like it has some probability of profit. Alright. About 50-50. It's either going to go up, or it's going to go down, or it's going to stay the same. So either way, so switch the account. And don't want to get too greedy here, but it does look like there's pretty good premium locked up in here. Alright, so I'm going to do just one, because I'm running low on the stock. I actually have done this before, and the stock went up and I got called out. So you can see my break even, $22.91 on the low and $27.09 on the high. So that's a reasonable range for where it's been trading. And I get a $208 credit. So that's very reasonable. Let's go back and look. Okay, let's go down to Ruth Chris. You can see I have a call and a put. You can see my cost basis is pretty low at $13.38, and it's probably getting near, I would say between about $27, $28. I have to go back and look at my calculation is what the value is of the company, so it could be getting close. Anyway, guys, this looks like a good play. A lot of premium in there. Good luck out there. Not financial advice, but let me know what you guys think. Remember to subscribe to see how these options trades turn out. And be sure to smash that like button. Alright guys, thanks for watching.